learn in today's lesson. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will know how animals respond to their environment and get what they need. At the beginning, I want all of you to take a look at the box turtle right here. What do you think will happen if you just get closer to the turtle, or if there's an animal get closer to the box turtle and try to catch it? Yes, that box turtle will get into its shell to protect itself from being eaten or protect itself from the danger. When it feels threatened, it get into its shell. Why do you think that box turtle do this? And do you think it is the only animal that make specific behaviors to stay alive or to protect itself from threaten? Actually, all the living things do the same. It's called a stimulus. First, we will talk about a word. It's called stimulus. Stimulus means what? It's something that causes a reaction in a living thing. It's something that causes a reaction in a living thing. Stimulus, it's a plural word, it's stimuli. What is a stimulus in the previous example? Yes, when it feels threatened, that's a stimulus. What is the reaction that the box turtle take? That box turtle took a reaction that it pulled itself inside its shell. Stimulus causes a reaction. Stimulus causes a reaction. The same idea when you are holding a hot cup of coffee. What you feel when you are holding a hot cup of coffee? You take your hand back. So feeling hot, okay, or being burned by the hot cup of coffee, it's a stimulus. Make you do a reaction, and the reaction that you take is taking or just removing your hand from the cup, right? That's a simple example about the meaning of stimulus. There are two types of stimulus. The stimulus could be from the environment around you, or maybe it will be inside your body. Example of stimulus that inside your body, like feeling hungry. What do you do when you feel hungry? Yes, you make a reaction going to eat food or looking for food. When you feel thirsty, you go to drink. It's a reaction. When you feel tired, you go to sleep. So feeling thirsty, hungry, or tired, those are examples of stimuli that inside your body. And you start to take a reaction when you have such a stimuli. The other type of stimulus could be what? A stimulus could be from the environment. For example, if you are walking on the street and suddenly you found a Siberian tiger running behind you, that's a stimulus, right? You'll feel afraid. What will you do? Of course, the reaction that you will do, maybe you will fight the Siberian tiger, but it's too dangerous, or maybe you'll run. I prefer fighting the Siberian tiger because I'm stronger than it. Okay, that's just for example about the behaviors inside your body or from the environment around you. Animal instinct. Instincts mean what? Animals see inherent physical characteristics like the wings. Birds inherit wings. Fish inherit fins. We inherit arms, or we inherit the color of the eyes, the hair color, the skin color, being short or tall from our parents. But we not only inherit physical characteristics, but also we inherit behaviors. All animals inherit behaviors from their environment. Inherit behaviors from their parents. Instinct, it's a behavior that is inherited. Instinct, it's a behavior that is inherited. Or simply, instincts are inherited behaviors. Instincts are inherited behavior. Instinct, they help the animal to meet what they need or to respond to their stimulus in different ways. Today, an example of an animal instinct is like what? Migration, hibernation, protection. Those are three examples of instinct. We're about to talk about it in details right now. Migration is what? It's the movement between habitats. Some animals, have you ever looked at the sky and found many birds that are flying in a group? Yes, that's called migration. The birds are traveling from one city to another, escaping from the change in weather or the cold to escape the cold winter, or even they could be looking for food. The second example of instinctive behavior, protection. Like the porcupine inherits the ability to straighten up its quills so it can protect itself from being eaten by other animals or other predators. A third behavior like hibernation. What I mean with hibernation, what you do when the weather is cold. Of course, you cover yourself with a blanket, drink your hot chocolate, right? But hibernation, in general, it is a state of inactivity that many animals go through it, like bears, like bats, turtles, and even marmots right here. Hibernation it is a state of inactivity that occurs when outside temperature are cold. Those animals, hibernating animals, they conserve energy by slowing down their body functions. Marmots hibernate in periods through the winter.